Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Today we're going to be installing the brake cable on my Jeep. Basically I got to find which wire goes where on which side and tie it in. Should be a fairly simple job. I just got to find out which wire I need to tie in on the car. So we'll be wiring in my Jeep, and then I'll do another video on wiring in a Jeep Liberty. So let's get going on this. Like always guys, remember to like, comment below, and subscribe. So there's a few tools you're gonna need. I like these because they actually have a cutter on it and a crimper on it. There's the crimper right there. Wire strippers, okay, has a cutter in there, also has a little pincher on the tip. Maybe a screwdriver, depending on how you're going to install it, where you're going to install it. Some clips of some sort to kind of retain the wire, unless you can feed the wire through. And then also, for something like this, these type of connectors are really nice because they splice right into your factory wiring harness. And you basically wrap around your factory one, and then you stick the other one in and crimp it, and it pinches, makes a connection with the metal piece on the side. So you're gonna want to decide where you want to put this guy. I know with the wire that I have on the trailer, it comes to probably right about here. So I want a little extra flex in there, so I'm probably gonna come out to where this is roughly about, I don't know, that far away from the car. I'll tuck it back in just while I'm not using it, and then I'll pull it back out when I need it. So you also want to make sure that this wire, wherever you put it, has enough wire to come up to your lights or your factory wiring harness, wherever it is underneath. I'm going to see if I can find it underneath. If not, I'm going to have to go left and right. Alright guys, so with the Jeep YJs, I believe TJ is probably the same, I'm not sure with the newer ones. They run the electrical right underneath the lip where your hardtop mounts or your soft top mounts. And it comes all the way to the back into the corner there and then drops through the floor. I'm going to see if I can tie it in from below, see if I can get to the wiring harness. If not, I'm going to have to come up to here and tie it in. Probably from below is the easiest, so let's take a look underneath the vehicle. So you're gonna move up underneath the quarter panel, and there's a connector right here. Okay, you have a green wire, black and white, and a white. Okay, or that might even be brown and white. I have to take a look a little bit closer. Alright guys, so when you come up underneath this quarter panel, on both sides you're gonna have this connector right here. Okay, you're gonna have a black, or excuse me, a white with a black stripe, a green with a black stripe, and a white. Okay, the white's the ground, and the green and black stripe is, I believe, the turn signal, and then the white with the black stripe is the brakes. So let's go ahead and tie into those things. And we'll use those clips that I have. So I'm gonna actually, looking at it now, I'm gonna actually run the wire from both from the center, both directions. It's just gonna be easier. I tried to look for it on that side. I could only find this connection. I found the other wire loom here, but the colors don't match, so we'll go ahead and go with these. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the YJ wiring here for your tail lights. This is on the driver's side. Okay, you have a white, you have a green with a black stripe, and a white with a black stripe. Okay, so for on the driver's side, your green with the black stripe is going to go to your stop turn. Okay, your white is going to go to your tail light. And then the last color there is your ground, which is the white with the black stripe. Why they did that, I'm not sure, but that's what they did on the driver's side. Let's take a look at the passenger side. So it's very similar over here too. It's actually identical. You have the green, the white, and the black with the black stripe. Okay, so if your green goes to your stop turn, okay, your white goes to your tail light, and then the white with the black stripe is your ground. Okay, so let's go ahead and run those wires to both sides. I'm going to tie into the harness right here rather than on the driver's side. As always, guys, it's built, not bought. Join me on the next one. Guys, make sure you hit that little like button, comment, and subscribe.